हमें राह दिखाए
संदीप सर,
मंजिल पहुंचाए
संदीप सर,
जुनून जगाए
संदीप सर,
काबिल ये बनाए
संदीप सर,
तुझे छूना है आसमां, मंजिल को पाना है, गर्दिश के लिए तुझे कुछ कर दिखाना है। चिंगारी जो सीने में उसे शोला बनाना है, तू भविष्य है भारत का, तुझे परचम लहराना है। ना रुक न तू, ना झुक न तू, बढ़ाए जा अपने कदम, तोड़ दे सारी हदों को, सच करना है अगर सपनों को तू आजा। दून डिफेंस एकेडमी, संदीप सर, दून डिफेंस एकेडमी, संदीप सर, दून डिफेंस एकेडमी, संदीप सर, दून डिफेंस एकेडमी। सेवा परमो धर्मा, आकाशे शत्रु न जाहि, न विश्वर्ष दीप्तम् शन्नो
जहाँ से अच्छा हिंदुस्तान हमारा, हमारा सारे जहाँ से अच्छा, हम बुलबुले हैं इसके, ये गुलसिता हमारा, हमारा सारे जहाँ से अच्छा, हिंदुस्तान हमारा, हमारा सारे जहाँ से अच्छा। मातरम, वंदे मातरम, आओ जोश, आओ जोश, हाय सर, आओ जोश, हाय सर।
परमो धर्मा, आकाशे शत्रु न जाहि, न विश्वर्ष दीप्तम् शन्नो हरिणो स्वधर्मे हृदिनं श्रेया, सर्वे सन्तु निरामया, सर्वत्र विजय कर्तव्यम् अन्वात्मा।
एनडीए का परचम पूरे देश में लहराया, हर बच्चे की उम्मीदों को पूरा कराया। शहर का हो बच्चा चाहे गांव का वो हो, हर एक बच्चे को ज्ञान से काबिल बनाया। सपना सजाना नहीं करके दिखाना, संदीप सर साथ है तो क्या ही घबराना। वर्दी से प्यार अगर एनडीए में जाना, तो पूरा करने सपनों को डीडीए में आना।
राह मुश्किल है, तुझको चलना है, माँ बाप का नाम ऊंचा करना है। गिर गया तो क्या, फिर से उठना है, हौसलों को जोड़कर आसमां में उड़ना है।
जय हिंद। हेलो एवरीबॉडी, दिस इज संदीप गुप्ता, सबमरीनर, इंडियन नेवी रिटायर्ड, डायरेक्टर संदीप सर, दून डिफेंस एकेडमी देहरादून। आज हमारे स्टूडेंट्स डीडीए डायमंड्स बॉयज़ एंड गर्ल्स इंडियन मिलिट्री एकेडमी की पासिंग आउट परेड देखने के लिए गए थे। हमारे एकेडमी का ये ट्रेडिशन है कि समर और विंटर दोनों आईएमए पीओपी में हमारे स्टूडेंट्स को हम भाग लेने का, उनको दिखाने का अवसर देते हैं, सो दैट दे कैन गेट द मोटिवेशन बाय द सीइंग द ओरिजिनल पीओपी एट आईएमए। और स्टूडेंट्स का जो रिएक्शन था, एक्चुअली जिस फील्ड में वो जाने के लिए दून डिफेंस एकेडमी आए हैं, चाहे वो एनडी हो, सीडीएस हो, एफकेट हो, आईएनईटी हो या कोई भी एंट्री हो, और जब तक रियलिटी में वो उन कैडेट्स को यूनिफॉर्म में पासिंग आउट परेड में अपने सम्मिलित होते ना देखते हों और उस परेड ग्राउंड पे कदम से कदम मिलाते हुए ना देखते हो, तो एक रियल जोश नहीं आता। तो ये हमारी एकेडमी की कोशिश रहती है कि स्टूडेंट्स को जो बड़ी दूर दूर से दून डिफेंस एकेडमी आते हैं, आपने देखा होगा बहुत अलग अलग पूरे इंडिया से आज स्टूडेंट्स यहाँ पढ़ने के लिए अपना करियर इंडियन आर्म फोर्सेस और मर्चेंट नेवी में बनाने के लिए आते हैं। तो उनको गाइडेंस, मोटिवेशन, इंस्पिरेशन, कोचिंग तो चलती है, पढ़ाई लिखाई तो चलती है, बट इनके साथ साथ ये जो एक्टिविटीज़ होती हैं दून डिफेंस एकेडमी में, ये उनको मोटिवेट करती हैं जो उनके गोल की तरफ, उनके लक्ष्य की तरफ। तो कोशिश यही है लगातार कि अच्छी से अच्छी एजुकेशन उनको दे सकें, सो दैट ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा स्टूडेंट यहाँ से इंडियन आर्मी, एयरफोर्स, नेवी में सेलेक्ट हो सकें। और आपका भी अगर सपना है, आपका भी लक्ष्य है डिफेंस ज्वाइन करने का या मर्चेंट नेवी ज्वाइन करने का, तो अभी सोचिए संदीप सर दून डिफेंस अकेडमी के बारे में ज्वाइन करने के लिए। फॉर मोर डिटेल विजिट अवर वेबसाइट www.doondefenseacademy.com। और यस, नकालों से सावधान, ओरिजिनल होता है। थैंक यू वेरी मच। जय हिंद।
And I am Shita Singh from Haryana, and today, as being a student of DDA, we got a chance to visit IMA and see the passing out parade. Every command of the gentleman cadet gave me goosebumps, and every single step they took gave me even more motivation to join Indian Army and serve my country. And this experience today's experience will be memorable and will be a lifetime motivation for me.
Jai Hind to everyone. Myself Khushi Singh. I am student at Doon Defence Academy, Dehradun. Today, by grace of God and by the help of our respected teachers Sandeep sir, Kunyal sir and other teachers, we got an opportunity to visit Indian Military Academy passing out parade of spring session. The time when we entered over there, we were fully enthusiastic and zealing out of immense pleasure to have that opportunity to look at the passing out parade. The time we were looking at the passing out parade and that pride in the eyes of the parents and those confident shoulders, those gentlemen cadets make us feel proud, and we thought, and it gave us a thought that one day we have to make it and we have to stand by there at OTA Chennai by making it possible for our teachers, for our parents and for our country.
I am Bipasha Sinha from West Bengal, a student of DDA. Today, our academy took us for a visit to IMA for the passing out parade. It was a golden opportunity to visit the place. The glory of Indian Military Academy, to witness it in front of my eyes, was such a great honor. It stirred up the feeling of patriotism within me, and I too want to serve for the defense services and to make my parents feel proud of me.
Jai Hind everyone, my name is Shubhi Patwal. I am from Ghaziabad, Uttar Pradesh. I am a student of Doon Defence Academy, and today our academy took us to IMA, that is Indian Military Academy, to see the passing out parade. While seeing the passing out parade, I was feeling so proud at all the gentlemen cadets doing the parade there. A feeling of patriotism rose inside of me, and now I want to join the NDA as soon as possible and serve my nation India.
Very palatial good morning to everyone. Myself Madhudeep Singh from Janjir Chapa, Chhattisgarh. I am a student of DDA Academy. Today we all got this opportunity to attend IMA passing out parade of spring session. And after seeing the gentlemen cadets doing parade, I got goosebumps. And even I imagined this all for me and for my batchmates. And I hope one day our parents and our teachers will be proud of us. Thank you.
Jai Hind everyone. Today I am Khushi Tiwari from Ghaziabad, Uttar Pradesh, and I am student at Doon Defence Academy, Dehradun. As today we went to IMA through our academy, as soon as we entered there, the feeling of enthusiasm automatically generated into us. I felt very proud even though I was not there in that parade and on that ground, but I feel I will damn sure that I will be there one day.
Jai Hind everyone. Today I Cadet Shiva Krishna or DDA Pratham Pag. I'm wishing all the viewers a very pleasant day. Today I'm going to share my experience of IMA. I'm very grateful for DDA for arranging an educational trip to IMA Dehradun. It is June of 2nd and this was the 149th course of IMA, and I'm very grateful for having a chance to experience the feeling of the boots which are in like perfect synchronization, and the people over there and the cadets over there, the parade were in perfect blend with the wind and with anything you can think of. And my heart and my eyes were in the perfect blend with the parade as well. It's a day not only for happiness, but we need to even remember the old ones as well. We need to remember the people who have sacrificed their lives for us, and because of that, I am very proud on them.
Jai Hind everyone, I am Cadet Adarsh Tiwari of DDA Foundation course from Kolkata. Today we visited IMA for the Spring POP 149th course. We saw them marching in a uniformity. They seemed like the band of colors with the same speed and same movements. Their hand waves in the same manner, their foot stamping was at perfect. We also saw them having their award ceremonies, like the Sword of Honor was given to Mihir Banerjee and many more. Now we are here in the Saurishthal to have a glimpse of the glorious history of the tri-services. Thank you.
Jai Hind, I'm Cadet Devpreet Singh of Pratham Pag course, and today we had a enthusiastic day as we all went to IMA, and listening to the synchronized boots, I felt very enthusiastic and determined. And right now we are at the Saurishthal giving homage to the people, homage to the soldiers who have sacrificed their lives, and to look at the past, where from where the soldiers, the brave ones, have sacrificed us. Thank you.
Jai Hind everyone, my name is Cadet Yuvraj and I am from Kanpur, Uttar Pradesh. Today was a very special day for us as today our DDA went to IMA for the 149th regular POP and 132nd technical POP. Today we enjoyed the day and which motivates us a lot. The sound of the boots, the crisp uniforms, which motivates us a lot. And today we are here at Shortsthal to remember the soldiers who have sacrificed their lives for our nation. Thank you.
My name is Cadet Gautam Kumar and I am from Aurangabad, Bihar. Today I with my friends got an golden opportunity to visit IMA. It was my second time I was visiting to that place and really it was very a special day for me. We saw there many cadets marching together in a synchronization and see when you want to become one of them, it is always very motivating, it is always very enthusiastic to see them because it brings you more closer to them and you are able to understand how they operate, how they are. The drill showed their strong character and hard work they have done in these years. And after that, now we are here at the Shortsthal to pay our homage to the various soldiers who have sacrificed their life in various wars with our enemy countries. And now after visiting these two places, I am feeling more confident and very determined to achieve my goal. Thank you and Jai Hind.
जय हिंद, मैं अक्षय समुद्रा प्रथम बग्गा छात्र हूँ। आज मैंने IMA में परेड देखी और परेड देख के मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगा और मैं चाहता हूँ कि आने वाले समय में मैं भी इस परेड का हिस्सा बनूँ। जय हिंद।
Jai Hind everyone, I am Om Sargam from Pratham Pak course, foundation course. So today I am going to share my experience for 149th batch. So today DDA given us an opportunity for second time to visit IMA. It was great to watch the parade and I had goosebumps by seeing their footsteps, waving their hands, and I was like mixed with that environment very well. So this time I went like a participant, but next time I would like to visit it like the cadet in the crisp uniform.
Jai Hind friends, I am Saurabh Kumar. I am a student of DDA, Doon Defence Academy. Today we were allowed to go in the IMA to see the passing out parade of the gentleman cadets. It was I was immensely delighted to see the gentleman cadets doing their parade and with that we were too motivated to see them. We feel that after a few years we will be there and doing parade in front of our parents and will make our country as well as our parents proud.
Krishnabist, I am from Kordar, Uttarakhand. There is a test conducted in our Doon Defence Academy and top 150 students got a chance to visit IMA passing out parade. As I am from an army background family, so I was very motivated to join armed forces. When I got a chance to go in IMA passing out parade, I saw that some gentlemen cadets, they are doing parade. They are very passionate and dedicated to their job and I got motivated from them.
जय हिंद, मेरा नाम प्रशांत गर्ग है, मैं MP से हूँ, मैं डून डिफेंस एकेडमी में पढ़ता हूँ। जब मुझे पता चला कि इंडियन मिलिट्री एकेडमी में ले जाया जा रहा है तो मैं बहुत ही ज़्यादा खुश था, बहुत ही ज़्यादा उत्साह था कि जहाँ हमारा ड्रीम है वहाँ हम परेड देखने जा रहे हैं। जब हमने परेड देखा वहाँ पे कैसे डिसिप्लिन होता है, कैसे जेंटलमैन कैडेट लीड करते हैं, वहाँ पे देखा गया और एक मोटिवेशनल जो हमें मिलता है, जो हमें वहीं से प्राप्त होता है इंडियन मिलिट्री में। थैंक यू।
Jai Hind, my name is Vishal Kashyap. I am from UP Gajrola. Today I got the chance to visit IMA through DDA and the parade was very auspicious and I felt many goosebumps. At last I would like to say that every defense aspirant should visit a IMA once in a lifetime to see the life and lifestyle of officers. Thank you.
मेरा नाम नवदीप पूनिया, मैं राजस्थान से हूँ। जब मैं पासिंग आउट परेड को देखा तो एकदम सबको लीड करने का फील हुआ, सब कुछ समझ आया, तो एनडी में जाने की जिद और भी बढ़ गई। मेरे को बहुत अच्छा लगा। थैंक यू।
जय हिंद, मेरा नाम आयुष्मान साहू एंड मैं उड़ीसा से बिलोंग करता हूँ और मैं दून डिफेंस एकेडमी संदीप सर वहाँ के छात्र हूँ। मेरा सपना था कि मैं अगर एक बार IMA पासिंग आउट परेड अटेंड करूँ, लेकिन आज वो दिन आ गया और मैं शुक्रिया देना चाहूँगा डून डिफेंस एकेडमी और सारे कार्यकर्ता और संदीप सर को, क्योंकि आज मुझे पता चला 89 साल हो गए आज IMA देहरादून को और वहाँ में आज उपस्थित रह के मैं खुद को गर्व महसूस करता हूँ। धन्यवाद। जय हिंद, जय भारत।
Jai Hind everyone, my name is Tarun Pandey and I am from UP. Today I got the immense pleasure and this opportunity to watch the IMA cadets, to see them march past, and I saw them from very close. It was a sensational feeling for me, and in future I saw that they are doing their job very patiently and the march past they are doing, that kept me very motivated. And in future I want to pursue those badges and the dress which I saw of officers, and my dream is to crack NDA
Thank you.
Jai Hind everyone, myself Aditya Yadav from Mathura, and I'm very happy today because I got a chance to visit IMA just because of Doon Defence Academy, and I'm very grateful that I'm a part of Doon Defence Academy, and I really motivate by seeing the officers and gentlemen their parades.
Jai Hind everyone, I am Aditya Nodia from Kanpur. Today I am going to describe my experience of IMA. Those signing badges and the dresses of the officers were magnificent and fascinating me. It gives me highly motivation to join army.
Jai Hind everyone. Today I got the chance to visit the Indian Military Academy through Doon Defence Academy, and it's a great pleasure for me to visit the Doon Defence Academy. I got the chance to watch the cadet in a very close. We can watch their behavior, how they behave, how they walk, how they talk, etc. It motivated me a lot.
Jai Hind everyone, I am Mahima Pawar from Uttarkashi, Uttarakhand, a student of DDA. Today our academy took us to IMA for passing out parade. The feeling I feel today was next level. Previously I just want to join NDA for sake of joining it, but now the feeling arose in me by seeing the enthusiasm and energy of gentlemen cadets. I just feel like I want that uniform on me. I want to take it. I want that pride and that sass on my shoulders.
My name is Akshaya Humrekar. I am from Nagpur, Maharashtra. Today, our academy took us to Indian Military Academy, Dehradun. The moment we entered the Indian Military Academy, I felt really proud and speechless because the parade, the pride in the eyes of parents, the stars on the shoulder spoke everything. The way they command, the way they express themselves is everything. And one day I want to join in one day I want to join NDA and I want that uniform.
हेलो एवरीवन, मैं उर्मिला गहलोत जोधपुर राजस्थान से। मैं दून डिफेंस एकेडमी उत्तराखंड में एनडीए की तैयारी के लिए आई हूँ और आज डीडीए की तरफ से हम इंडियन मिलिट्री एकेडमी में पासिंग आउट परेड देखने के लिए गए थे। जब वो स्टार्ट हुई तो ऐसा लगा जैसे मैं तो वहाँ जाऊँगी। मैं खुद को वहाँ पे देख रही थी और ऐसे सोच रही थी एक दिन तो मेरे मम्मी पापा और टीचर्स वहाँ पे आएंगे और गर्व फील करेंगे।
Jai Hind everyone, I am Shraddha Srivastav from Ghaziabad, Uttar Pradesh. Today my DDA Academy took us on the IMA for POP and I felt very golden opportunity for seeing that. I felt that I feeling very goosebumps when the candidates started the parade. Their combination with themselves are very amazing and they make us very motivating, and I also want my family members to come there and see me on POP. Thank you.
Jai Hind. I Cadet Aditya Parashar, student of Pratham Bhag Foundation course, is here. Today we saw IMA POP and we are here in Shaurasthal, and this was a very amazing experience for me, and I think one day I will be a part of that parade. Thank you, Jai Hind.
This is Cadet Deepak Dev. I'm from Kerala and I'm also a cadet of Doon Defence Academy. So today we saw the 149th POP of the spring event of IMA, and it was really enthusiastic to see all the cadets doing their POP, marching in uniformity, enthusiastic for us to see and motivational for us to see the POP and chase our goals without diverting from it. Thank you.
I, Cadet Devyansh Singh Bisht, is here to tell you about my day. Today we went to see the 149th POP of the spring season 2023, where we saw so many enthusiastic cadets marching in a uniformity, giving us motivation about our future and making us sure that where we want to go.
Jai Hind everyone, my name is Nikhil Yadav. I hail from Gorakhpur, UP, and currently I am a student of Doon Defence Academy. So today we got the golden opportunity to watch the 149 POP course of passing out parade of IMA cadet. So today the day was very enthusiastic for me, and it was my second time. There were 135 cadets in IMA who were marching in parade, and there is no any words to show our gratitude to the soldiers for their selfless service. And I hope that one day I will become a defense officer.
Mexico! Mexico! Jai Hind! Jai Hind! Jai Hind! Jai Hind! Jai Hind! Today, Doon Defence Academy NDA girls got opportunity for the IMA passing out parade. All girls, all the Joes! All How the Joes? How the Joes? Mexico? 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 Jai Hind!
Kindly subscribe D-Day YouTube channel and don't forget to press bell icon.